long does it take the average wind turbine to save the amount of carbon that's needed to manufacture it and install it?
Who wants to come in on that? Matt, you're better because you're doing it.
Short and sweet, 3 to 6 months. Broadly speaking, of course, if you take a turbine, 2 identical turbines, they will have the same embedded carbon, if you like, and if we assume that you have the same sort of foundation, etc. But of course, if one site is much windier than the other, its sort of carbon payback will be much quicker, so hence the range. But broadly speaking, if it's a relatively low wind speed European site, it would be 6 months, and if it's a high wind speed European site, it would be 3 months, broadly.
Because that's on the face of it, an astonishingly low... You're
no,
nodding.
Yeah, I mean, it's a common misconception. I don't know how this sort of urban myth has spread into the atmosphere that wind turbines, take forever to pay back their energy and their carbon costs. And all the figures, I even brought a copy of an International Energy Agency report just the other day, which confirms what the literature also confirms, namely that the payback time in carbon and energy times is very short indeed, depending a bit on the wind regime and depending a bit on the turbine and other variables, but it's not a serious problem.